How to upgrade your managed group to a pro group. First, send the start command to your bot, then click group setting. Here you can see how many pro community slots you have available to allocate. If you don't have enough slots, click here to head to the subscription page and upgrade your account plan. On the subscription page, any plans with ProCom in the community section will increase your slot. Now, select this group. This group access is free. Click Switch to Pro. Just click Yes. Your group is now successfully upgraded access to Pro, which unlocks more group management and operation features like Loop Post. Additionally, you can upgrade your group in OnlyTG console. Click Group in the OnlyTG console. Check the allocated Pro community slots and click Switch to Pro from the More menu. Just click Yes. Your group has successfully upgraded to a Pro group.